We're going to be talking about TWIA, which is Texas Windstorm Insurance. This is Senator Jackson. He is the chair of the Nominations Committee in the Texas Senate. He's also been named to the TWIA Oversight Board. Next to him is Don Brown. He is a former representative from Florida to give us a little different perspective. He too chaired the Insurance Committee in that body. And next to him is Chairman Smithee. He is the Insurance Committee Chair in the Texas House. And then next to him is Professor Dan Sutter. He is from the University of Texas in Pan America. What do you think is TWIA's greatest challenge?
Well, I don't know where you start when you talk about what's wrong with TWIA, but what you've essentially got right now is an insurance company that's really not an insurance company, selling a product they call insurance, which really isn't insurance. They're sitting there with, by the end of the year, maybe $70 to $80 billion of risk they're riding. They have almost zero money in the bank. They don't have any reinsurance.
If you want to find a way to strangle competition and private innovation in your state, create an expanded state program, and you'll kill private industry in your state.
Do you have any legislative proposals that you're preparing for the upcoming January session?
We have to be sure we've set up a method and allowed TWIA to come up with a way, instead of buying reinsurance, to try to bond some of their liability. That could be in pre-event or post-event. Reinsurance is a very safe way to cover some of your liabilities if you have them, but if you have many years with no storms, and all of those dollars that you pay for reinsurance premiums just go right out the window, you have no savings.
I disagree with Senator Jackson on this. I think reinsurance is our best friend. I think that when you have no reserves and no ability to pay claims, you've got to have reinsurance. I think it's irresponsible on the part of the management and the board of TWIA not to have purchased reinsurance this year. I'll tell you the problem we're having right now with a hurricane sitting right off the coast is that we have a bonding mechanism in place to raise money, and right now we're hearing that we can't raise the money. The bonds will not sell. I wouldn't walk to the reinsurance store. I would run as fast as I could and just hope I could get as much reinsurance. I'd buy every dollar of reinsurance I could buy.
And Professor Sutter, what do you think about these legislative proposals?
We can have a lot of, forms to reform proposals in other states, but what really is necessary and what really ends up working is that if you want to shrink the size of a residual market, you have to first allow insurers to charge market-based rates for the coastal insurance, and then you have to make sure that the wind pool doesn't undercut those rates.